How to share Google Drive link on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Google Drive link on WhatsApp. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Google Drive. Once you're in the Google Drive, you can see the plus icon located in the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you need to tap on Upload File and then you need to tap on Photos and Videos. Here, I'm going to simply upload a screenshot. Once you have uploaded the screenshot, you need to simply go ahead and tap on upload. As you can see that the screenshot is now uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, you can simply click on three dots located on the side of it. And from here, you need to scroll down and here you can see an option that says copy link. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that. And once the link has been copied, we need to head over to our WhatsApp. Then once you are here, in the message you need to simply press in order to paste the conversation, and once you have pasted the conversation, you need to simply go ahead and tap on send. And that's it. You now know how to share Google Drive link on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.